Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today I am out here at Canyon Lake and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a jerkbait to catch trout. I think you guys are going to enjoy this one. Okay guys, so we are back out here. I've got a jerkbait right here. This is what I'm going to use to catch the trout, except I'm not going to use this color. I'm probably going to use more of a brown shell color. And as you guys notice, you guys are on a GoPro mount. I bought a cell phone mount for my GoPro, and yeah, I think it's pretty cool. This will help you guys get first person view on fishing. But yeah, I'm probably going to use this bait right here. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this on, and I'll be right back. So I got my lure tied on here. I decided to go with the brown trout with the red stripe. You want to stick with smaller, don't want to hook myself in the hand here. You want to stick with smaller jerkbaits when you're fishing with trout. They're not like bass. Bass have big mouths and they'll pretty much swallow anything, whereas trout, they have smaller hands, or smaller mouths, my bad, and they need to be able to swallow this. So I'm going to go ahead and cast out there and show you how this here works. Let me move you guys up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it out there. Move you guys up just a little bit more. And all you want to do is double pop your line and let it sit. Double pop, let it sit, and you're popping it on semi-slack line. You just keep popping it, and you're trying to make it look like a dead fish. And you just double pop it, pause, short pause in between each pop. And it's on semi-slack line. You don't want super slack line, semi-slack. And then you're always pointing your rod back where your lure is. And here, I'll show you. While it's in the water, it has a swaying side to side motion in the water, so it looks like a dying fish. So I'm just going to get back out here again. And you just keep casting, and you just keep retrieving. This is just a retrieval style bait, or lure. There's little beads in there that clank together and show you where try and lure in all the fish. Oh, I had a chaser, dude. He came right up to it. This is so far the most action I've had all day. Yeah.
Yeah, Memorial, nothing. I was gonna go to Roosevelt, but I was like, that's not even worth it.
Especially with how muddy it is.
Yeah.
There are a lot of chasers out there.
Really?
Yeah, I just had 3 or 4 swoop on it. Come on.
People have been catching them on fly rods.
Have they?
Yeah.
They're hitting top water.
I haven't seen anybody, well, I seen one person catching them on a...
There's one. Whew. Here he comes. Get him up here. Heck yeah.
Oh, there's a big one right there.
Check this out, guys. Nice brown here.
That's kind of big.
I don't know if I got this. There you go. Nice brown. We get this off the line here and I'll get right back with you guys. Alright guys, now for the release here for you. Woo! Just like full on biff it into the rocks. Just gonna... There it goes.
haven't caught a fish from here in so long. Except for like, I fucking hate catching them off the bridge though. Because what do? Do you let all your line out and walk around, or you try to just pull onto the top? I thought my boat was just snapping.
Gotcha.
I was lifting it in the air, and my boat was just
Is there a lot of fish over there?
You could see them, yeah. They were all swimming around over there.
Gotcha.
Did you get here and just go straight here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should fish over there for sure, because there was. So my buddy caught one over there.
Nice.
There's a lot of people here today.
Oh, I had another bite.
For it being Easter.
That or I got hung up, one or the other. Get more over here.
I just decided I'd come out and try fishing a little bit. I'd start catching fish.
There's one. Got another one here, guys.
Yeah, I had to go to church this morning.
You just stand down, stay down. And come here. Get down to the water here. Heck yeah. Another nice brown.
God, look at that monster.
It's another nice brown trout right here. No, you're fine, babe. Look at that, guys. Look how he smacked it. Dang. All right, I'm going to get this one off the line too, guys, and I'll get right back with you. I'm going to set this one in the water over here. There it goes, guys. Time to catch another. Alright, guys, so I don't know if I ever showed you an up close view of my ultralight rod here. It's just a 5.2 to 1, my bad, gear ratio, ultralight. It's a South Bend. And then I'm using a Rebel track down brown trout jerkbait here to catch these monster brown trout. I swear they're cannibals. Let's get back out there, guys. And that's all I'm doing to catch these fish. Just do a double pop pause, double pop pause, but do it at more of an upward angle. And it could either be a soft pop or a hard pop. It is completely up to you. Depending on how hard you pop it, it will shake those beads inside that jerkbait, causing that fish to lure in on it. So a lot of the times I'll just be distracted doing this. All of a sudden the fish will just nail it. Oh, I had another one. Oh, I almost had another one. There's also times where your line will get wrapped around your hook like this. That causes your jerkbait to have a wonky action. So make sure that that hook is not wrapped up and that they're free and floating. Alrighty, guys. Well, say goodbye to the island and say goodbye to the lake because we are gonna go to Memorial Pond. Oh, there was a fish that just jumped right there. I don't even know if you guys saw that on camera. That was pretty cool. I might actually try and cast out there real fast. Let's see. Just real quick. See if he'll hit on my bait here. If he doesn't hit on it, then we'll leave. I got my hook all wrapped up. Get this all unwrapped real quick. I'll do one more cast since that wasn't really a perfect retrieve there. We got everything loaded up in the car, and to the next pond we go, guys. So we're out here to the next pond here. I got on the same jerkbait here. Just gonna try and cast over there underneath that dock. See if we can't land ourselves a nice trout. Mainly rainbows here. And there's also bass. So if I get a bass, that would be cool too. Alright guys, I just got one. I don't know if you guys can see him down there. Ooh, he's going under the dock. Yeah, under there. Let's bring him over here. Decent rainbow. Come here. Woo! Rainbow, calm down. Calm down. Look at this. Nice rainbow trout there. Just gonna go ahead and get this hook out of his mouth here. Alrighty. Look at that rainbow trout. Beautiful rainbow. Sorry I didn't get the hook set on camera for you guys. Alrighty. That was a nice release for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see him down there. Moving slowly. I think he'll be okay. Alright, let's see if we can't catch one more, guys. What?
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That rainbow trout was the last trout I caught today. I really didn't catch any more. The bite was a little slow, and that is, yeah, considered a slow biting day when only catching about 3 trout, when I'm used to catching about 7 to about 15 of them. So I'm surprised I caught a rainbow today. I've been catching nothing but, oh, excuse me. I've been catching nothing but brown trout this year. And that was just great catching that nice rainbow. So if you guys enjoyed this video and liked my awesome GoPro setup for my cell phone, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the like button for me. And if you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them down below. I'll probably make another video of this soon, just to kind of educate you guys a little bit more on the jerkbait. So yeah, if you guys like it, keep living, keep fishing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.